On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Physicist.
A scientist who specializes in the field of physics.
Examples:
Talented physicist. Theoretical physicist. Einstein was an outstanding and famous physicist of the 20th century.
Emit.
To give off or send out something such as light, heat, sound, gas, etc.
Examples:
Emit a gamma ray. Emit air pollution. During the unloading, the container box emits a clicking sound.
Gravitational.
Relating to or caused by gravity, equals the force that attracts objects towards one another.
Examples:
Gravitational energy. Gravitational waves. The gravitational force of the black hole was so strong that nothing, not even light, could escape.
Rot.
To decay, or cause something to decay, naturally and gradually.
Examples:
Begin to rot. Rot with age. Please refrigerate the meat, or it will rot.
Spherical.
Having the shape of a sphere, round, spherical, or ball-shaped in appearance.
Examples:
Spherical shape. Spherical object. The Earth is a nearly spherical planet.
Fixate.
To focus one's attention or become overly obsessed with someone or something. To become mentally obsessed or preoccupied with a particular idea, thought, or image.
Examples:
Fixate on a problem. Fixate on a picture. She tends to fixate on small details, often losing sight of the bigger picture.
Strew.
To scatter or spread things over an area, to scatter something in an untidy way.
Examples:
Strew the room with balloons. Strew garbage. The wind strew the leaves all over the lawn.
Coma.
A state of prolonged unconsciousness, typically caused by severe injury or illness, during which a person is unresponsive and lacks awareness of their surroundings.
Examples:
Medical coma. Medically induced coma. Unfortunately, the accident left him in a deep coma.
Elliptical.
Having the shape of an oval, equals a closed plane curve, using a word or expression that is ambiguous or vague, especially to mislead or avoid committing oneself.
Examples:
An elliptical motion. An elliptical galaxies. The satellite's elliptical orbit made it appear to change its distance from Earth.
Blob.
A small amount or drop of a thick liquid or sticky substance.
Examples:
A big blob of yellow. A blob of jelly. A blob of ink fell on the floor.
Deduce.
To arrive at an answer, a conclusion, or a decision by reasoning.
Examples.
Deduce facts from the evidence. Deduce the meaning of a word. The researcher deduced the momentum of the particles from meteoritic velocities.
Deflect.
To cause something, especially a criticism or attack, to be directed away from someone.
Examples.
Deflect a blow. Deflect his criticism. The soccer player was able to deflect the ball away from the goal.
Trajectory.
The curved path followed by an object moving through space.
Examples.
Career trajectory. A trajectory missile. The company has shown an excellent growth trajectory over the years.
Extrapolate.
To guess or think about what might happen or estimate something using the facts that you have now.
Examples.
Extrapolate the results. Extrapolate animal dose. This predictive model mechanically extrapolates past trends into the future.
Eyeball.
The round part of the eye of a vertebrate that is usually inside the head and, therefore, cannot be seen.
Examples.
Eyeball motion. Redness of the eyeball. Increased eyeball pressure leads to the development of glaucoma.
Skew.
To turn or place at an angle, to make biased or distorted with the result that it is not accurate, fair, normal, etc.
Examples.
Skew the message. Skew social values. The results of the poll are skewed because it only surveyed a small group of people.
Devise.
To come up with an idea, plan, theory, etc., using your intelligence or imagination.
Examples.
Devise a plan. Devise a literary plot. They had to devise a system that did not depend on fossil fuels.
Shave.
To remove body hair with a razor, to cut the price of something.
Examples.
Shave my head. Shave cheese. That supermarket tried to shave certain costs by saving electricity.
Napkin.
A small piece of cloth or paper used for wiping one's mouth and hands while eating. A decorative cloth placed on a table for formal occasions.
Examples.
Paper napkin. Linen napkin. I always keep a stack of napkins on my desk while I eat to prevent any messes.
Distort.
To change something's shape, appearance, or sound so that it appears weird or unclear.
Examples.
Distort the facts. Distort the economy. Economists contend that taxes distort consumer behavior in general.
Mirage.
An optical phenomenon caused by the refraction of light in the Earth's atmosphere, creating a false or distorted image of distant objects or landscapes, often appears as a shimmering or floating appearance, typically seen in deserts or over hot surfaces.
Examples:
Mirage illusion, mirage oasis. The shimmering heat created a mirage in the distance, fooling our eyes into seeing an oasis.
Hawk.
A bird of prey typically having short rounded wings and a long tail, an advocate of an aggressive policy on foreign relations.
Examples:
Cast off a hawk, congressional hawk. That team signed a center forward who was a ball hawk.
Sect.
A group of people who follow a particular religious or philosophical belief system, especially one that is regarded as outside the norm or mainstream.
Examples:
Sect beliefs, secret sect. The minority sect believed in a set of unconventional religious practices.
Pass.
No longer fashionable or current, outdated, considered to be old-fashioned or out of date.
Examples:
Passé entertainment, passé trend. Bell-bottom jeans, once considered passé fashion, have made a surprising comeback in recent years.
Asymptotic.
Having a line or curve that approaches another without ever meeting or intersecting, used to describe mathematical functions or relationships that approach a limit without ever reaching it.
Examples:
Asymptotic growth, asymptotic analysis. The curve of the graph approaches, but never quite reaches an asymptotic line.
Astronomer.
A physicist who studies astronomy.
Examples:
Amateur astronomer, solar astronomer. This question has fascinated solar astronomers for decades.
Startling.
Extremely surprising, astonishing, and sometimes worrying.
Examples:
Startling earthquake shocks, startling discovery. He describes the story with startling reality.
Persuasive.
Tending to make you want to do or believe a particular thing, convincing.
Examples:
Persuasive advertising, persuasive speaker. He made a persuasive argument for the new policy.
Unexplained.
Not able to be explained or understood, lacking explanation or justification for something unknown or mysterious.
Examples:
Unexplained phenomenon, unexplained disappearance. There was an unexplained noise coming from the attic that frightened us all.
Imp.
A mischievous or misbehaving child, a small and mischievous demon or sprite in folklore.
Examples:
A little imp. Behave like an imp. The mischievous imp caused trouble wherever it went.
Motto:
A phrase or slogan that expresses a guiding principle or goal.
Examples:
The motto for safe traffic. Company motto. The company's motto is innovation and service, which is reflected in its products and customer support.
Annihilate:
To destroy completely, to cause something to cease to exist.
Examples:
Annihilate the enemy. Annihilate all doubts. The virus had the potential to annihilate entire populations if left unchecked.
Collide:
To hit something violently when moving.
Examples:
Collide head-on. Collide in midair. The interests of the two countries collide.